The Solomon Islands announced its first ever bid in 46 years for a seat on the Security Council, having registered its interest 11 years ago. Prime Minister Honorable Jeremiah Manele announced the country's bid when delivering his statement at the 80th United Nations General Assembly meeting in New York. He said Solomon Islands is ready to contribute to UN peacekeeping missions, reaffirming its commitment as a peace-loving member of the international community.
Solomon Islands is seeking, for the first time in 46 years, a non-permanent seat in the UN Security Council for the period 2032 to 2033. We registered our interest 11 years ago. Let me thank countries who have confirmed their support for our candidature over the years. As a peace-loving country, Solomon Islands is keen to contribute to UN peacekeeping missions this year. Ladies and gentlemen, we must do more for peace, protect civilians, especially children and women.
Prime Minister Manele also made the appeal for Solomon Island presence at the UN to be evaluated. He said the country remains underrepresented within the UN staff establishment.
Madam President, Solomon Islands reiterates its call for an elevated UN presence. The time has come to review the UN regional architecture to ensure it remains connected to the members that need it most. Solomon Islands remains underrepresented within the UN staff establishment. We call on the UN to consider convening in-country competitive recruitment exams in Solomon Islands. On Security Council reform, we seek a more democratic, expanded council that reflects today's geopolitical realities. The use of the veto by the Council continues to undermine peace, international law, and expose the vulnerable to harm. The veto must be eliminated as part of the reforms of the Council. We hope to see proposals shift into text-based negotiations